Hi, welcome back to the second of our Microsoft Word how-to sessions. In this one, following on from creating headings, what we're going to do is build an index, an interactive index that allows us to link from the index to the individual sections that we want to highlight. So let's start off by creating an index. This index, I need it to be a heading 3. As you see, it's just popped up there under accessibility tools, so it's now in the headings. So the way we do this is we create an internal link. So you go to the link, and what we want to do is we want to go to the accessibility section. So we highlight that. Now, at the same time, we add a screen tip. Now, this is useful on mouse over for sighted users, but also very useful for screen readers who will pick up the screen tip text, which I've already done. So I'm just going to paste it in here now. So this basically says, this is a link to a section in this document, so the user understands that they're not going anywhere else, it's going to stay in this document, about accessibility. And it would help if I spelled document correctly. So let's just quickly change that. And click OK, and click OK, and here, in blue, underlined, indicating it's a link, we now have a link to accessibility. And it takes us straight down to accessibility. Likewise, what we can now do is link this back to the index. So open this up again. There's our index highlighted. Screen tip. So using one that I've already pasted. So what we're going to say is, this is a link to the index. And we click that, and click that, and there again, it's gone blue, and it's underlined, indicating to the user that it is a link. If we press on that, it takes us back to the index. And basically, we just keep repeating this for all of the index items that we want. So you can make a very, very comprehensive index if you wanted. So we'll do the next one, which is in summary, which is there. Screen tip again. So we want to say, in this instance, to a document about in summary. And click OK. And now we have that link, which will take us to in summary. And we'll link it back to the index. So find the index again. Here we go. Screen tip, link to the index. Click OK, and there we have blue underlined, and then back to index. And you could, if you wanted, you could build out this index to contain all of those H3 references. And you just continue by, in this instance, right-clicking on the mouse, selecting link, and off you go, choosing your headings. And that is how you build an index.